Are you struggling to tint your hairstyle properly? Confused about which hairspray brand you should be purchased? Then you are in the right place. Everyone wants a distinctive look, and hairstyle are the first thing people notice. Styling products like the hair wax spray are in heavy demand. In this video, I will tell you top 5 best spray wax for hair that got thousands of positive reviews on Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Spray Wax. The Flexible Style Spray Wax from Paul Mitchell lets you easily up your hair game with various hairstyles. It doesn't clump on your hair and spreads uniformly. It works great for styling as well as for hair care. You just need to control the quantity you use, as very little product is required to keep your hair good. The formula doesn't make your hair stiff, which allows you to try new hairstyles. This wax spray adds texture and control frizz, suitable for both thick and thin hair. The product is not heavy and doesn't weigh your hair down. It contains non-oily wax and sunflower seed oil to create a satin finish, making your hair look really smooth. You can easily apply it to the entire hair length and with aerosol spray. Paul Mitchell is paraben-free, gluten-free, and color-free. You just only need a small quantity to use. Number 4. Kms Hairplay Dry Wax. There are many hair waxes for a smooth finish, but this one has the power to create a rough finish and hold your hair perfectly. The formula is ultra finishing and adds definition to your hair roots. You can expect it to work well and hold your hair with a very clean finish. This dry wax is lightweight and gives perfect hairstyle as per your desire. Use of this dry wax is super simple. You can add it directly with the spray or scrunch it with your hand. The spray foam lets you cover your hair from all across your scalp without any hassle. Adjust your hair as you wish after spraying the product evenly, and you are good to hold your hair in the stylish way you have imagined. Since it is loaded with flexible sealing compounds that can protect the roots and prolong the styling effects, it is also good for hair care. It is paraben-free, mineral oil-free, so it's all hair type. Number 3. OGX Flexible Plus Beeswax Texture Hairspray Wax. OGX Beeswax Texture Hairspray Wax is the ideal choice from all days texture, flexible hold. You can easily toss your hair into any hairstyle and manage it for hours with this hair wax or hairspray. The fragrance lasts long, and you can evenly apply the product with your fingers. Formulated with beeswax and sandalwood, the product doesn't harm your hair. The hairspray wax is created to make your hair fuller, textured, and smoother to give a better control over your tweezers. It is a great option to manage all those tiny baby hairs and flyaways that ruin your hairstyles. It lets you to rule any hairstyle without making your hair dry and weak. The natural ingredients contribute to its amazing scent. You must be careful to use it in the proper amount in order to avoid greasiness. The ingredients are exotic and great for curly hair, whether it is long or short. Number 2. Eufora Style Details Dry Spray Wax. While looking for a dry spray wax to manage your dirty hair and style it beautifully, Eufora Style Details Dry Spray Wax has to be your first choice. It protects hair and even works at hair strengthening. Style is super easy with this wax spray, and it holds your hairstyle for longer durations. This hair wax sprays easily onto the hair and covers every strand thoroughly. As the wax comes in a spray form, application doesn't take a lot of time. The product is good for creating touchable texture along with fine hair separations. This dry hair wax is great to use for all hair types. In fact, it can even be used on dry and wet hair. Won't gunk up, weigh you down, or leave hair with a heavy sticky product-filled spray for hair provides a manageable and light hold without the crunch. This hair volume spray can be used as a finishing touch and to achieve any style or look that you like. Number 1. Sexyhair Hairplay Dry Wax Spray. Sexyhair Hairplay Dry Wax Spray is a decent choice to add texture and dimensions to your hair. The product tames frizzy hair and makes it ready for styling. If you are looking for a fine finishing spray, this is where you search in. It makes the hair firm for a long-lasting hairstyle but doesn't make it stiff. You can enjoy hair with a smooth finish without any added weight. People with thick hair can use the product directly by spraying on, but if you have thin hair, try applying it with both hands for better application. The product also suits people with short hair without making the hair stiff. Adding volume and style is simple with this dirty dry wax spray.